Chair,
Before, Sen. Rafi,
Yeah, Madam
before
Chair.
you,
quick lang.
I need to do something right after your quick intervention.
Kasi pinag-usapan din lang yung death threat against her, ano? Pwedeng sa executive session banggitin niya sa atin later? Kung sino yung-
Yes,
But
Sen.
Madam Chair-
Rafi, we
but
can
Madam
do
Chair,
that
sorry,
later
no,
on.
because
Sen.
of that-
Joel?
Because of that statement of Sen. Rafi, I still don't get it, Madam Chair. Why she cannot disclose it in public? Hindi po ba, Madam Chair, isn't it more natural to expose it in public so that she is protected? I don't get it, Madam Chair. I really don't get it. If you are having a death threat, you wanted to say it in public so that you can be protected. If you really wanted protection, Madam Chair. So it doesn't make sense. Hiding it doesn't make sense, Madam Chair.
I agree, Sen. Joel. Actually, kung talagang may death threat, mas talagang gustong, kung talagang humihingi ng proteksyon, walang kinalaman ng security threat din sa pagsagot lang tungkol sa pangalan ninyo. That's already established. The threat will not be made worse by confirming what is in documentary evidence. But in any case, gusto kong ipaalala sa iyo na ayon nga sa Supreme Court, in the case of the Office of Court Administrator VU, the right to self-incrimination does not prohibit legitimate inquiry in non-criminal matters. Ad nauseam na po ito. Halos naduduwal na po kami sa pag-ulit-ulit nito. No? Alice Guo, ladies and gentlemen, is continuing to lie to this committee despite glaring evidence that she is a Chinese national named Guo Huaping, whose father, Jian Zhongguo, is Chinese, based on her own declaration in this committee, and whose mother, Lin Wenyi, is also Chinese, based on her own declarations in bank documents, by the way, verified by the AMLAC. This is a blatant defiance of the legislative's constitutional power of inquiry. Lumalabas na pinaglalaroan mo ang aming batas, pinapaikot mo ang mga Pilipino. Pero ibahin mo ang Senado. Ibahin mo ang Senado. I move to cite Guo Huaping, also known as Alice Guo, in contempt of the Senate for testifying falsely and evasively before this committee.
Second the motion, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Sen. Joel.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Sen.
Madam
Ko.
Chair,
Yeah.
when we were in recess kanina, the pending matter was the refusal to give us details of the death threats that she herself brought before us.
And
Siya
yes,
nag-volunteer. She binolunteer niya sa information sa atin eh. Then pinupurso namin ayaw mong sagutin. Ngayon, I think the prevailing sentiment is hindi siya makahingi ng executive session. Sagutin niya ngayon lahat. Yung kasi kung totoo naman na may death threat ka, na-monitor ka na rin nung nagbigay ng death threat sa'yo, kahit may executive session, di alam na rin niya, sinabi mo na rin sa amin, ikaw pa rin yung source. Kaya hindi kami papayag sa executive session. Ngayon, ang prevailing sentiment, if I'm not mistaken, is you have to answer the questions relating to that particular subject matter na ikaw mismo ang nag-voluntaryo palabasin sa hearing na ito. Inumpisa ni Senator Bato and then si Senator Jinggoy. Kaya Madam Chair, doon ako sa ground na yon. If we should, kasi at least yun, there is no need to determine who is telling the truth eh. Wala tong ano eh. Ito, we have I think Senate section here, if the refusal to cooperate or giving evasive answers, pwede na natin gamiting ground yun to cite the witness or the resource person in contempt. At Alice, sa lahat dito, akong pinaka-lenient actually na ayaw ka i-cite in contempt eh. Pero in this particular case, kahit anong pag-isipin ko, you have to answer eh. You have to answer, and if you want if we require you to answer publicly, you have to answer. You can invoke a right, pero pag-usapan namin yun. But when we deny that you are not entitled to such a right, then you have to answer. Otherwise, makukontempt ka talaga. So I'm presenting that alternative ground, Madam Chair. If we can use that, kasi parang pagkalap ko nung nag-break tayo, that was the hanging matter na Release ni Senator Bato followed up by Senate President Pro Tempore.
I know. Actually, there are two hanging matters. Isa na yung tungkol sa death threat na yan. Pero higit pa doon, yung question ng identity. Dahil proven na ng NBI at proven na ng isa pang ahensya na Alice Guo at Guo Huaping, iisang tao lang kayo. At yun yung patuloy na pinagsisinungalingan mo sa komiteng ito. Therefore, the chair is citing Alice Guo alias Guo Huaping in contempt as seconded by Senator Joel.
Madam Chair,
SP Pro Tem Jinggoy.
let's give a last chance for her to answer the question. Answer, Alice.
Ikaw ba daw si Guo Huaping?
Madam Chair, Sen, pasensya na po talaga. Ako po, si Alice Guo po.
Okay, well, pasensya din po. The chair cites Alice Guo alias Guo Huaping in contempt of this committee as
Hopefully-
seconded by Senator Joel. Yes,
Thank you.
Anyway,
Mano?
she has been cited in contempt, but hindi kasi ako present sa past hearings ng Committee on Women, but has she been confronted with the documents of Guo Huaping? Napakita na sa kanya?
yes, Mano.
Kasi dapat may handwriting doon or may signature na allegedly coming from her, di ba? Did she deny or the signature? May entries doon may entries siguro doon na coming from the applicant, tama? Am I mistaken as NBI director?
You can flash the passport page, Mano, and then NBI Director Santiago, gusto niyo bang i-address itong matter, please?
Your Honor, please. Yun pong sa signature, remember yung sa ACR niya, doon namin ibinase, ay meron pong iba ang signature niya doon. At dito sa NBI clearance na ibinigay namin sa kanya, iba rin po ang signature. Kasi bata pa siya nung yun hong sa ACR eh. Kaya we cannot rely on the signature. Pero ang fingerprint po, hindi po yan magbabago magmula ipanganak hanggang sa mamatayang tao.
Yes, but have we confronted her with the document and then asking her, did she accomplish the said document? Tanawin natin siya kasi hindi naman
po-
siguro siya musmus na bata na hindi na niya maalala no, may memory na siya noon eh.
Hindi po namin siya na-confront. Opo.
Okay. Kaya
And colleagues presented those same documents na fina-flash ko ulit dito kay Alice ko sa mga nakaraang hearings bago pa siya tumakas.
can we give her one last chance? I-flash yung document din and then I will ask her now if she remembers accomplishing the said document of Guo Huaping.
Madam Chair, I'm sorry, but I asked that question a while ago and she said no.
Can we flash the document? Used by the NBI. I mean, use the document, di ba? Where's the document? Please give her a chance. Pakita natin sa kanya. For fairness sake. And then, pero pag i-deny niya na hindi niya in-accomplish yun at what particular age, convincido na tayo din. Therefore, she's lying before us, di ba?
Meron po tayo ditong doctor's copy report na sinasabing identical ang fingerprints ni Alice Guo at ni Guo Huaping at na yung fingerprints na iyon ni Guo Huaping at ni Alice Guo were affixed by one and the same person. Do we have the supporting document na ginamit ng NBI para dito? Para ipakita ulit. Dahil ipinakita na natin dati kay Alice Guo. Miss Alice, extraordinary ito Kayo lang yung naalala kong resource person na ipapakita namin paulit-ulit ang mga dokumento sa iyo. Dapat naman siguro suklian mo yung komite na magsabi ka na ng totoo. Hindi going the extra mile ang komite, pero kasi nangalingan pa rin ang sinusukli nyo. Comsec, do you have the supporting document on para i-project dito sa ating monitor, yung ginamit ng NBI to come to this conclusive opinion used in all courts of the Philippines, ang fingerprint matching.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Sir Joel.
while we were still waiting, and just to support the motion that was approved by this committee, Madam Chair, the Senate has sufficient, substantial, and damning evidence to support to support a conclusion, Madam Chair, that this witness is lying. Now, whether the court will bear it out later or not. That is the basis, Madam Chair. If this is the prevailing stance, then witness won't play around with the Senate. I think that is the only reason why we are doing this, because she's obviously playing around, Madam Chair. We have given her enough time, so many chances, Madam Chair. I have never seen a witness na ganito karami yung chance na binibigay natin magsabi ng katotohanan. Pero kung ayaw talaga, Madam Chair, she has to face the music.
Agree, Sen Joel. But Comsec, i-flash po natin please yung passport ni Guo Huaping para masagot niya yung one more chance na tanong ng minority leader.